Alright guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use a cylinder leak tester. And this leak tester is that I bought it from US General. It's item 94190. Pretty easy cylinder leak tester, and also pretty easy to use. So let's get to it. Alright, so here we got the tester. It includes two or three fittings actually. This one comes inside already on the hose. Comes with the fittings to put it on the spark plug holes, and the the hose to put it in the cylinder. It comes up to 100 psi on your left gauge right here, and your right gauge, it has the percentage of leakage. And usually when I'm reading out, I don't like seeing anything above 20%. If there's anything above 20%, you do it right there off the bat, you're losing horsepower. But how you usually set this up before you do anything, you're supposed to put this thing counterclockwise before you start. And how you set it up in the car is real simple. You connect this in the cylinder. This hose, the female, goes on the male end of the hose, and in here you connect the air source, which you get it off a compressor. But usually how you do it, how you turn it on, you put everything together, and then once it's zeroed out, you'll see how much leakage you have once you connect the air source over here. And you go ahead and you go clockwise, and you bring it down to zero to zero it out right here by the yellow. And also some tips I wanted to give you guys when you're doing the leak down test. If you hear it come out of the crank case, where you put the oil or the dipstick tube, that usually means your piston rings, they're leaking. If you hear it coming out of your intake or your throttle body, that would mean that your intake valves would be leaking. If you go back into the vehicle and you listen to the exhaust and you hear it come out through the exhaust, you hear air coming out through the exhaust, then exhaust valves are leaking. If you open up your coolant cap and you see bubbles coming up, that usually means you have a lifted head gasket. So there's some tips for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.